Hello everyone, I am going to explain some questions from exercise 9.1. Today we are going to start from question number second, and here I already wrote the question second. Question second is integrate 5 cos x minus 3 sin x plus 2 upon cos square x with respect to x. So we'll start to solve it. So to integrate it, one by one we have to integrate all. So first we'll integrate 5 cos x, or we can do one thing, we can open the bracket. So when we'll open the bracket, it will appear like this: integration of 5 cos x, and then this dx will distribute to all. So here dx will come, then minus integration symbol 3 sin x, then dx, plus 2 integration symbol 2, this upon cos square x is there. I am writing it to the numerator. So when we write in the numerator, reciprocal of cos x is sec x. That's why 1 upon cos square x is going to be sec square x and dx. Now students, this 5 is the coefficient, so this 5 will come as it is. Then integration of cos x. So it's a direct formula. Integration of cos x is sin x, and then minus sign as it is, and then this 3 is the coefficient, so 3 will come as it is. Sin x integration is minus cos x, so the integration of sin x with respect to x is minus cos x, bracket close. Then this plus sign as it is, this 2 coefficient 2 will come as it is. Sec square x dx, sec square x integration is, direct answer is 10x. So students, directly we had used the formulas. So to do the integration questions, formulas are already written in your chapter 9 front page. So you can learn it, because if you learn it, you can directly write the answers like cos x integration is sin x integration is minus cos x, and sec square x integration is 10x. So these are direct formula which we had used. So you must learn them. And here it's going to be 5 sin x. Now this minus and minus becomes plus 3 cos x and plus 2, it's 10x. And then here also integration constant, and here also integration constant. So see, we always should write down when we are integrating, it is named as integration constant. Now we'll move to the question number 3 of same exercise. Question 3 is, we have to integrate x cube minus 1 whole divided by x square with respect to x. So how to read it? Integration of x cube minus 1 divided by x square with respect to x. So we have to solve this. So when we will solve, first I will write the question as it is. So it's going to be x cube minus 1 divided by x square dx, and then what we have to do is, we are going to separate this denominator. So when we separate the denominator, it will happen like this: x cube divided by x square minus 1 upon x square, and I am keeping the bracket here, and then this dx. So what I had done is, I separated the denominator so that easily I can integrate them. Now we will move to the next page. So after that step which we had done in previous question, we are going to get here. So when we divide them, divide the first x cube upon x square, it's going to be only x. Then I am going to open the bracket also, so this dx will distribute to both. So this is our first term, and the second term is going to be 1 upon x square. So that I am writing as x to the power minus 2 dx. We will see in the previous phase, then only you will understand. So just see here, x cube upon x square. So when we divide here, what we will get here? Only x. And this 1 upon x square will shift in the numerator, so it is going to be x to the power minus 2. And then when we open this bracket, this dx will distribute here also and here also. So what's the conclusion? What's the answer here? X, so here only x, and here we will get x power minus 2. Now we'll move to the next step. I hope it's clear to you how we are divided. Now we will start to integrate, students. Now for the integration we are going to use the formula. The formula which I am to use is, I am writing here, since integration of x to the power n with respect to x is, the formula is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So this formula I am to use. So what the formula is, whatever be the power, that power we have to do plus 1, and same whatever power is going to get, by same we have to divide and then plus c. So here student, the power of x is 1. So when we use this formula, it is going to be x to the power 1 plus 1 then divided by 1 plus 1. In the same way here, x to the power minus 2 then plus 1 then divided by minus 2 plus 1 and then plus integration constant. So it is going to be, when we simplify, it is going to be x square upon 2 and minus, here we will get x to the power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c, and that is equivalent to x square upon 2, and this minus 1 and this minus is going to multiply, so it is going to be only plus, and x to the power minus 1 I am shifting it down to get the positive power and plus c. So that's our answer of question number 3rd. Now we'll move to the question number 4 of same exercise. Question 4th is, we have to integrate sec square x plus I erase it, it's got wrong, cosec square x, then bracket close, dx. So students, this question is wrong printed in your books. Here plus sign will come. So when we solve this, first I am to open this bracket, so this integration sign, this dx will distribute to both. So when it will distribute, it will appear like this, sec square x dx plus cosec square x dx. So students, there is a direct answer for them. Sec square x dx integration formula is of 10x, and cosec square dx integration is formula is of minus cot x. So these are direct formulas. So like this we have completed the question number 4th also. So this question is very simple. Simply first you just distribute this dx to both and then direct use the formulas. So it's very necessary that you should learn the formulas first before doing this exercise. And if you have any problem, you can write in the comment so that I can remove your doubts. Thank you.